from the University of Glasgow, and I'm so excited to be here because there are many, many gods that still need to return to Nepal, but one of them returned home today, and this is incredibly exciting, and I cannot wait for all of the other cultural objects belonging to Nepal's living heritage to come back home. You need to talk to Erin Thompson. She's posted it on Twitter. I can say something about it. So because of the civil activism that is happening all across Nepal and across the world at the moment, we see that many more statues are found in museums and private and public collections abroad, and that hopefully we can make them return home together. Social media plays a huge part in this. This is where Twitter, for example, has played a huge role. So I'm hoping that this will bring all of us together, not only in Nepal, but also across the world, to bring back the cultural heritage of the countries where they belong.